Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. My name's Tosh. I think I'm pretty posh, and oh my gosh, I'm so excited that you're here today. If you're new, don't forget to click the button down below, subscribe. You won't miss out on any of the joy that I have to bring to you this year. If you're a returning subscriber, you should already know that I would die for you. I would take a bullet if you need me to. Today's apartment tour, we went and toured the Central Union Station apartments. Never heard of them, literally just did a Google search and found them. I was able to tour 4 units. I don't know for sure if I'm going to show every single unit because they're pretty much the same, just different sizes. I am going to go over the studio just because it's the smallest unit, and that means that you don't have to listen to me talk for as long, which is always a good thing probably. Before we get into the apartment itself, let's go ahead and jump into maps really quick so that we can see exactly where this place is located. So like always, the red pin is exactly where these apartments are located. They're actually in a really good spot. You don't need a car if you're living here, depending on the places that you have to go. If you work from home, you definitely don't need a car. If you work in the city, you can take buses or scooters or walk, but you're literally close to so many restaurants. Within the apartment complex itself, it has an elevator that goes straight down into Whole Foods Market, which is so nice, like so convenient. You literally don't need a car. If you don't shop at Whole Foods, King Soopers is literally 2 blocks away, and you're close to Coors Field, MSU, here's a football stadium. Also, if you have to go to the airport, you can just hop on the train at Union Station and go straight there for like $9, and it takes you there in like an hour and a half. So I think this is a really great option if you're looking to move into the city. I didn't get prices. I don't get prices anymore because price is changing constantly. So now that you guys know where these apartments are at, I also want to mention really quick, I don't have any fees for you, but I do have the website for the apartments linked down below. So open the description box and check it out there. I'm sure they have the fees available on their website somewhere. The apartment itself, the studio, right when you walk in on the left, there is a small coat closet, pretty good in size. I feel like it's standard size. And then right next to that, you actually have your full-size washer and dryer, and in some of the other units they have like full rooms for it. It just really depends on the unit that you choose. This, I don't know if I mentioned it already, is a studio, but across from the washer and dryer you have your bathroom, and I like the floor in the bathroom. It's tile floor, but it has like those honeycomb tiles. I really like that. And then the backsplash in the bathtub does go all the way up. You have like these oak colored cabinets. Most of the mirrors, or I think all of the mirrors, have the LED light inside of them, which is also really nice. So when you're getting ready, that is a really great feature. I wish my mirror had that. Right outside of the bathroom, it's not connected to the bedroom, but it is, like I said, a studio. So you don't even have like a bedroom, like a regular bedroom. You have a spot for your bed and maybe nightstand, and that's about it. You have a closet, but the closet is set up so weird to me because they have 2 doors for the closet. It meets in the middle, but like there's a whole wall blocking everything. So I just feel like there's no point. So like you can't even see like what's on the inside, but you can put your summer clothes or like whatever season is there, you can put that season out available. And then when the seasons change, you can switch it. The closet, I guess, isn't really that big of an issue. And technically it is kind of a separate room. You just don't have like a door for your room or like a fully enclosed room. And then from your bedroom, moving on, you have your kitchen slash living area. In this unit specifically, the kitchen is all along one wall, so you have that dual tone cabinets with stainless steel appliances. I like the way it looks. You probably do have enough room to put like a small table in this area so that you have a spot to like sit down and eat your breakfast or your dinner or whatever it may be. I'm not going to complain about the living area for sure. Like, I think it's a pretty good space. You have enough room for a full setup, especially if you don't get any kind of table, but you definitely also have room for a table if you want one. But yeah, that's everything with this unit specifically. If you are interested in seeing the other units that I toured and a couple of the amenities, then go ahead and stick around. I'll see you guys on Saturday. I am trying an Alani new pre-workout, so if you're interested in that, come back on Saturday. Video's done, edited, uploaded, and ready to go. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video. Bye.
It ain't about fame, it ain't about fake friends. And screw your ex, is such a flake. Forget your grades, you need a break. It's all about you, no matter what the others say. But now I'm done talking, the lights on me. I tell you, I guarantee this night's about to take a turn for the better. Now the rain is pouring and all I see is lightning around my feet. Now nothing can bring me down. I just wanna dance till my heart goes la la la. I just wanna dance. I just wanna dance till my heart goes la la la. I just wanna dance. I just wanna dance till my heart goes la la la. I just wanna dance. I just wanna dance till my heart goes la la la. I just wanna dance. It ain't about money, it ain't about the coolest job. It's about having fun and love the ones that makes you shine. It's all about you, no matter what the others say. But now I'm done talking, the lights on me. I tell you, I guarantee this night's about to take a turn for the better. Now the rain is pouring and all I see is lightning around my feet. Now nothing can bring me down. I just wanna dance till my heart goes la la la. I just wanna dance. I just wanna dance till my heart goes la la la. I just wanna dance. I'm done talking, the lights on me. I tell you, I guarantee this night's about to take a turn for the better. Now the rain is pouring and all I see is